Good morning to everyone. So in the last class we have seen the unit 2 Z transform and Z transform properties and problems. So in this unit 3 we are going to discuss about the DFT and FFT algorithms. So what is meant by the discrete time Fourier transform? The definition of discrete time Fourier transform, it's a infinite duration discrete frequency sequence which is obtained by the sampling one period of a Fourier transform. Sampling is done by n equally spaced points over the period extending from omega is equal to 0 to omega is equal to 2 pi. What is the mathematical equations? X of k is equal to summation n is equal to 0, n minus 1 x of n e power minus j 2 pi n k divided by n. So what is called the inverse is a transform 1 divided by n summation k is equal to 0 to n minus n minus 1 x of k e power j 2 pi k n divided by n. So what is the DFT and IDFT as follows? X of k is equal to summation infinity n is equal to 0 to n minus n x of n omega n k n and inverse is the transform 1 divided by n summation n minus 1 k is equal to 0 x of k omega n power minus k n. So what is the DFT? How to find the DFT in the sense we are giving the 1 comma 1 comma 0 comma 0 in the sense we have to find the formula called x of n e power minus j 2 pi k n divided by n. So likewise we are having values k is equal to 1, k is equal to 2, k is equal to 3, k is equal to 4. At that last values we are getting the 2 comma 1 minus 1 by 0 1 plus j. So likewise we are having the various example problems. So next one is um, so there is a various example problem with the 8 values. Inverse is the transform and the transformer is. So like it's the same format we have to put in the part B questions also. So in this unit there is a 4-point DFT and 8-point DFT values are available. So in this 4-point DFT in the sense they may be asked in part B, part A questions, and 8-point DFT in the sense they may be asking in part B questions. Okay, so it's a very easy unit. So unit 3 in the sense there will be a DAT and DAF butterfly structure algorithm. So in this fast Fourier transform, the fast Fourier transform is highly efficient procedure for computing DTFT of a finite series of requires a less number of computations. It reduces the computations by taking advantages of a fact that the calculation of a coefficients of a DFT can be carried out iteratively. So the FFT based on decomposition of and breaking the transform into smaller number transforms and combining them to get a total transmission. FFT reduces the computation time required to compute a discrete Fourier transform and improves the performance by a factor 100 times or more over discrete evaluation of a DFT. Okay, so these are all the fast Fourier transform. There is a radix 2 fast Fourier transform and radix 4 fast Fourier transform. So in this omega n power k n plus 1 is equal to Turing factor, it's used to find the DIT and DIF algorithm. So there is a two basic type of classes of algorithm: discrete decimation in time and decimation in frequency. So what is meant by that? The n point DFT x of n can be represented as x of k is equal to summation n is equal to 0 n minus 1 x of n omega n nk. So likewise we have to substitute the values to find the DIT and DIF algorithms. Okay, so so this is a representation of 2-point DIT. So DIT in the sense x of n, xc of n, odd number and even number. So in this 4-point DFT and 8-point DFT is available. So likewise we have to find the various 8-point DFT. So I will show the methods and how to represent the values. So here there is the stages called 2 stage, 4 stage and the 8 stage. The first one is initial called 2 stage and the second one is 4 stage and the 8 stage. So we have to we have to arrange the orders and we have to shuffle in the DIT for the first step. So then we are getting the x of 0, x of 4, x of 2, x of 6 and x of 1, x of 5, x of 3, x of 7. So like this we have to multiply with the Turing factor. At last we have getting x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6, x of 7. Okay, so this is called DIT. So the next one is this is an example problem to find how to find the DIT. The next one is DIT, DIF. So DIF means there is a opposite values, opposite functionality of DIT. So decimation in frequency, FFT, decomposition, the DFT by recursive splitting the sequence of elements x of k in frequency domain into set of smaller set of subsequences to derive the decimation in frequency FFT algorithm for n comma a. power of z, the input sequences is divided into first half and the last half of the points. Okay, if the algorithm is a input x of n, the partition into two sequences, each of the length n divided by 2 samples. So likewise we have to find the DIF problems. So up to this I have completed the DIT and DIF. So in this next class we will see the inverse fast Fourier transform. Thank you.